Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. Children, in our last session, we have discussed lesson 9, the zebra's pyjamas. So, here the lesson is about why zebras wear pajama. Long ago, when animals behaved like humans in the animal world, there lived a beautiful horse family. In the family, there were three brothers and one sister. They were brothers Stalin, Mule and Little Zebra and sister Palomino. So Stalin and sister Palomino were very active. They were the wild creatures. They love nature and fresh air. They never take rest for a while. Always they love to run very fastly. So their life is just like restless. Even they had taken active participation in each and every work that was happening around them. And coming to the brother Mule, he is very hard worker. He is not as active like Stalin and sister Palomino, but he was very hard worker. He seems to be stubborn, but a hard worker. And then the last one is Little Zebra. Little Zebra was the youngest of the four. So Zebra was different from the other two brothers and sister. Here Stalin and Palomino were very active. Mule was very hard worker. Coming to Little Zebra, he was very lazy. Always he loved to take rest and stay at home. Never he removed his pajama. So every morning Stalin and Palomino used to go out for a run early in the morning. When Stalin and Palomino requested Zebra, always Zebra used to refuse them to join in the run. So they left him. And even at night also, when they go out for the run, the brothers and sister, Zebra refused to join them in the run even at the night time also. Always Zebra wear night pajama and gives the reason that he is feeling sleepy. So as Zebra was youngest of all the four, he was very pampered brother, so they left him. Like that, Zebra has become very lazier and lazier. So one day, the king of the animal world, the lion called all the animals to attend the meeting. So as in the meeting, the lion want to discuss about how the kingdom has to be ruled. So lion sent the invitation to all the animals to take part in the decision making. Even a invitation was sent to the horse family also. So the other day, Stalin and Palomino woke up early in the morning, went out for the run, came back and get ready. And even Mule also woke up early in the morning, did all the works and got ready to go to the meeting. All the two brothers and sister requested Zebra to attend the meeting, but Zebra had never had a habit to wake up early in the morning, so he refused that he is not ready to come to the meeting. Now, Stalin, Mule and Palomino, they went off to attend the meeting, but they were very scared that what would happen if the king noticed that Zebra was absent to the meeting. But the same thing happened. Whatever they were fearing, the thing happened here. Lion noticed that Zebra was absent to the meeting, so he shouted on Stalin, Palomino and Mule that though I have ordered to attend the meeting, he was absent. Go immediately and call Zebra. So Stalin ran from there very fastly, reached home and informed the king's order to Zebra. Now Zebra ran very fastly with Palomino. Never in his life has run fastly like that. So he ran very fastly and finally they came to meeting. Now by seeing Zebra, the lion has become more angrier because Zebra already did not attend to the meeting and now Zebra came to the meeting in night pajama. By seeing Zebra in pajama, lion got angry and shouted that never in your life you are not able to remove pajama. Even your future generation also not able to remove this pajama. Pajama will become a part of your skin. So from that day onwards, zebras are wearing pajamas. Pajamas has become a part of their skin. Okay, so that is about the story The Zebra's Pajama, written by Vishwajita Das. Now children, I'll show you the video of the lesson The Zebra's Pajama. Watch the video and understand the lesson clearly, children.
The zebra's pajamas. Have you ever wondered why zebras always wear pajamas? Of course, they cannot now remove them. They have become a part of their skin. But long, long ago, in the days when animals behaved like humans, in the great animal world, there lived a horse family. There were the brothers Stallion, Mule, and Little Zebra, and their sister Palomino. Stallion and Palomino were wild creatures, always on the move. They loved nature and fresh air, and would get up early in the morning just to go for a romp. Known to be restless, they could never stand still for long. And they always took an active part in whatever was happening around them. Mule, though not as wild as his brother Stallion and sister Palomino, nevertheless had a wild streak in him which showed itself in the most unexpected moments. He was known to be stubborn, but could work hard. Little Zebra, the youngest of the four, was very different from his brothers and sister. He did not work like Mule. He was not active like Stallion and Palomino. All he did was swish his tail and laze about the house. In the mornings, when his brothers and sister would go out for a run, Little Zebra could be seen wearing his night pajamas, and he would refuse to join them. At night, when Stallion and Palomino would go for an after-dinner gallop, Zebra would again refuse to join them, saying that he was feeling sleepy, and he would promptly change into his pajamas and go to sleep. Little Zebra more or less lived in his pajamas. However, as he was the youngest, his brothers and sisters never said anything to him, and so he grew lazier and lazier. One day, the king of the animal world called all the animals for a meeting. It was to decide how the kingdom should be ruled. All the animals were to take part in making the decisions. The horse family, naturally, was also called. Stallion and Palomino woke up earlier than usual, went for their morning run, and were ready for the meeting. Mule, too, woke up early enough, did all his work, and got ready for the meeting. Little Zebra was still in his pajamas. Mule nudged Zebra. His brother Stallion and sister Palomino prodded him, but he just refused to get up. He was never able to wake up early in the morning. They left him at home and went off to the meeting, but they were scared of what would happen. Sure enough, the king noticed Zebra's absence. He was furious to find that someone could disobey him. He demanded that Zebra be brought to him immediately. Stallion ran home as fast as he could, woke up Zebra and told him that the king had ordered him to come immediately. Poor Zebra was so scared that he ran as he had never run before, and even forgot to change his pajamas. The king, seeing Zebra in his pajamas, became even angrier. He shouted at Zebra,
"For delaying the meeting and daring to come before me in your pajamas, you will now never be able to remove them. Your descendants too will forever have to wear them."
And to this day, zebras wear pajamas.
So that is about the video The Zebra's Pajama. Hope you all have understood the lesson well, children. Now with this, we'll close today's session. Coming to today's year homework, read lesson 9, The Zebra's Pajama. Okay children, that's it for today. See you in the next session. Bye children.